Okay, I feel like I just played a little mini basketball game.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to this special STEM Saturday sponsored by the Pelicans and Chevron. With our COVID pivot, we've engaged kids in 47 states and 5 countries. New Orleans, we are doing it. And I want to thank you, all of the sponsors, like the New Orleans Pelicans, and like our long-term sponsor, Chevron. And I want to thank the parents for entrusting us with your scholars. But more importantly, I'd like to thank the parents for exposing their kids to the possibilities of the 21st century. And with that being said, I'd like to introduce to you my friend and supporter of STEM all across the region, Leah Brown from Chevron.
Chevron is proud to support STEM Nola. Their approach to teaching science, technology, engineering, and math is innovative, practical, and makes learning fun. Over the past several years, they've continued to engage, excite, and educate thousands of students from across our region. And in addition to helping them be better students today, they are also helping to prepare the engineers and scientists we'll need tomorrow.
This is a humanoid. A humanoid is a robot that tries to behave like a human. Imagine a Pelicans game and we come out with a bunch of robots to entertain. That's the marriage of technology and sports. You're gonna build your own basketball, your own Pelicans arena, and when the ball goes through the goal, the crowd actually makes a noise, all right? Now let me see how good I am. Go Mackey, and the crowd is cheering. Ah!
Is that you using scissors?
Right on that corner right here. It looks something like this.
I just connected the male wire to this part.
Ready to get started?
So when you cut that circle out, you are going to cut on that dotted line, just on the dotted line. That kind of looks like a little Pac-Man.
Your aluminum foil, and you're gonna roll it into a ball.
4, 3, 2, 1.
This is a very cool experiment.
The ping pong ball for 3.39 seconds.
We're doing math hoops right now. We haven't started yet. Everyone's picking their cards. So you're gonna open up your board game.
So we have our game board down. I think our next component that we should start with is our scoreboard. Everybody got that for me?
And we're each picking one player per color.
Emma
Meeson.
Meeson is in the house.
That's
actually one of the best drafted cards when we host our tournaments and stuff. So you did pick the best card.
So once you finish your bottom of your court, start gluing your headboard on.
So we just kind of glue it on like this?
Yep. The next step after gluing your backboard on is we're gonna glue the sides on, okay?
So you corked. Frank, can I see your corked? Thank you, Kaylin.
Perfect. And that to the end of that short wire, we're gonna connect it to the other G and D. Okay? Okay. So now that we did the wiring part, we almost finished.
What happened?
I definitely learned more about the extensive process that comes when making technology.
When I heard about the STEM NOLA and the fact that it was free, I thought it was amazing, and all the material are provided for them. I thought nobody should pass up on that kind of opportunity. Thank you, Pelicans. Thank you, Chevron.